Hello again, it's me, earthmanbrick, and we're back with, this is a brand new box set that we're going to make up and have a bit of fun with. It's from Wargames Atlantic, part of the Death Fields range, which is a sort of sci-fi set of miniatures, and very much like the Stargrave, Oathmark, and other types of miniatures, they're all kind of multi-part. So just have a quick look at the back of the box here. I'll quickly go through this. These are the dregs of the dread Deathfield sport. The washouts, the metal cases, the warriors who just can't cut it, and the teams whose strategy, training, or cunning have fallen behind new, younger franchises. Yada yada. Yeah, so this box set is enough to build 30 plastic miniatures. And we got it for a whopping £22.50, so that's less than £1 a miniature. Not bad. Let's have a look at what we get in the box. Ooh, I didn't expect this. I was expecting these to all be on like a one big sprue, but that's interesting. So all the men are all in separate pieces. They don't have separate bodies, so it's like a body and legs, which is very much similar to the Stargrave. One thing that is totally lacking though is bases. Not a problem for me because I prefer to make up my own, but for folks that don't like that sort of thing, that's a big deal breaker for a lot of people. But like I said, I don't care. This is perfect. Exactly what I want. And let's have a look at some of these heads. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 heads for 5 bodies. So you're going to get a lot of variety. Not so much in the posability of these bodies, but I mean, you do get a crouching one, which is kind of cool. And yeah, they are kind of dynamically posed. I'm perfectly happy with that. So that's the men sprues, of which you get, what is it, 6? So yeah, that's definitely 30. And here's the other sprue, which you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 off. Oh, that's interesting. So you get 6 more heads. That's them there. They've got like gas masks on, which is very cool. Very much digging that. Oh, beeping noise in the background. That means my oven's ready. I should probably go and check on it, but it switches off automatically, so it's fine. You get some very nicely detailed backpacks, so that's 6 of them on there. And yeah, how many arms do you get? You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, that's 8. And extra pistol and arm there, so that's 9. Yeah, I think you don't get a whole lot of extra bits and bobs, but these heads are really cool, the masks. And yes, it is the same for all of these. Yeah, I'm digging the plasma rifle and things. This is, you know what this set would be perfect for? Is it's not just great for like filling out your forces for your, what is it, your Warhammer 40,000 Imperium kind of model sets, but also for your like Necromunda, as well as your Gene Stealers and Gene Stealer hybrids. Absolutely great, and yeah, I'm actually really looking forward to throwing these guys together, and I love that it doesn't come with bases. I think bases are a bit of a waste for myself personally, but for yourselves might be a deal breaker. Anyway, I'm going to get to assembling up some of these, and I'll come back soon once I'm just going to start with 5 and see how we get on. Anyway, bye for now. See you again soon. Hello again, and we're back. And here's the box set. And here's what's left of the sprues before I show you the miniatures. So I've spray painted them white to save me a job of doing that whole part of the process. Because it's actually a hell of a lot easier to spray things on the sprue, to base coat them, and also paint certain elements. So you can see I painted one of the helmets here because you get 6 on the sprue, but I've only made up 5 of the models, and yeah, it makes life so much easier. So yeah, we've still got a whole host of extra heads on this sprue, and we've got a whole host of, because I didn't bother with any of these rucksacks or anything. I mean, they're really great, very nicely detailed, but I didn't think they'd be a good fit for folks in hazmat gear. And we've still got 1, 2, 3 sets of arms. So, back to the miniatures. And how did we get on? Well, here they all are. I'll just zoom in on these. So there we go. Now, painting scheme wise, what I've gone and done is I've hit it up with a base coat of white spray paint, and then I've gone over it with some yellow ink just all over the regular model, and then a quick wash of Nuln oil, which is a Games Workshop paint or wash or shade, I think they call it now. So I hit it up with that to hit into all these recesses and give it that kind of worn, muddy kind of look. And then it's just black paint for the feet and the guns, and then a little bit of blue for the visor. And that was it. I didn't bother painting all these other bits. I didn't bother painting the zipper or anything else. I just thought, you know what? Even the hands, I just left them yellow as well. And I think that's worked out a bit of a treat. And then I've kind of gone in with a spot of highlighting, just a little bit of grey on the guns, just to separate them out a bit. And yeah, I'm very impressed with these results. Of course, we've scratch built these bases. This is just the same industrial method that I've used time and time again, and it's worked an absolute charm. Now, of course, you do get multiple other head variants and such like. There's the plasma cannon guy. I'm no good at OSL or object source lighting, to give it that realistic look, so I just kind of winged it and thought, it's good enough. But yes, so you can... This is a brilliant set because you can paint them up like regular soldiers, like we've got here, or you can paint them all up with the bomb colors and prisoners, like you've got there, like as if there was like a big jailbreak. And yeah, it's got some other suggestions in the back here as well. Oh, I don't think you get weapon-wielding spiders in the set. Gun-toting bugs. That's pretty cool. But yeah, I highly recommend this kit. And of course it is compatible as well with other kits. So if you've got your Stargrave, Frostgrave, or Oathmark, or any of that sort of stuff, yes, you can mix and match the arms, the heads. Although, I really don't think you need to. I think this is a one-size-fits-all kind of box set. And I highly recommend it. But yes, that's all I've got for you today, so thanks again for watching, and bye.